Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey there, paper crafting friends. I got a package today. I cannot wait to see what's in here. I mean, I know, right? Because I ordered it, but I have not gotten to put my hands on these new templates. Okay, give me a second. Hopefully I'm not making too much of a mess. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, these are so cool. So cool. All right. Am I missing one? Give me a second. I'm going through my box like super fast because my address is on the front and I'm trying not to share that with the whole YouTube community. So, all righty. Let's look at this one first. This one's called Ruffled Edges, and it is a tiny border, which means it's the 6-inch size. And these are formulated to fit with other borders that we have in the Kiwi collection. So if you already have Frolic, this one is going to go, it's going to layer with Frolic 1A and 1B. Okay, look at how cute. And then this one's going to layer with Sentiments 1A and 1B. That was like the very first card border I played with. Would have been Sentiments and Sincerely. I still use those a lot. So this one matches up just perfectly, which is lovely. So that one's going to be nice and easy to cut for sure. And then this one layers with Blissful 3A and 3B. Look at how fun that is. And that's just going to create that really cool little design. All right, so that one is called Ruffled Edges. The next border style template is this one called Fancy Frills. This is a 12-inch border. And this one is also designed to layer. Now, just because it's designed that way does not mean that you have to do that, but you can, okay? So this one layers with Sunnybrook Lane 2A and 2B. Sunnybrook is my second favorite border, probably. So these don't line up exactly, right? And there's no way they would because of those little rounded spots, but you can still be pretty efficient with your paper usage with these, which I love. Okay, you can see they've given you some options here. If you want to use the little cutouts and you want to trace them, you could just scoot your template around and do that. You could trace them, you could cut them out, you can just draw them on, you could ink them with a dauber, lots of choices with that. So that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. Again, this one's called Fancy Frills. That one layers with Sunnybrook Lane. This one, look, it kind of looks like a gear. That's going to be really cool. This one layers with Madison Avenue 2A and 2B. Love that gear look. So neat. Okay, or tires. It almost looks like tire tread. All right, and then this one, ooh, it looks like waves, kind of. This one layers with Jason Lane 1A and 1B. So those 6 pieces all come in the Fancy Frills 12-inch border. So then we have this new product. This is a new product called Placemats, and they've been doing a good job of showing how to use these. And there will be some make and takes and some demos and things, but this is really going to be a quick way to design a page or an element for your page. So not to mention, wouldn't this be cute even as just like a little mini book or a recipe book? It's a great little shape. But you've got some elements here, this great little corner that you could trace and cut. You've also got a different size photo mat, which is cool. It's that 3.5 by 3.5. You've got a fun traceable banner. And then you've got this kind of scallopy edge here. So this whole element could be rotated any direction on your page, just to give you kind of a focal point. And I talk a lot about grounding your photos. This is a great way to ground your photos. So this one's placemat 1, and these are sold as a la carte items. So they're sold individually. Here's placemat 2. Don't care about the package. I am excited about this. This is such a cool shape. All right, look at this one. Neato. All right, so this one's got the fun little banner edges, and it shows how it's using tiny tags, 1T, like that's the size for this. And then there's this other one that you can trace and use. It's showing you an example. If you wanted to layer some photos like this, here's the sizes, okay? You've got this really great bracket shape that's different than any of our others, okay? So lots of flexibility with this too. Again, showing you a really great way to anchor some photos. If you're not as into these littles, you could definitely do like this size and then 2 more up here. Probably 3x4s would fit, maybe 3.5 by 3.5. I'd have to play with that a little bit. But such a cool shape all by itself. Loving that one. And then we jump to placemats 4, which is funny. There's not a placemats 3 that's being released right now, but that will be coming to us at a later time. So something to look forward to. This one has a really neat feel as well. Good photo size. I like this. It's got some built-in journaling if you want to use this as an element, you know, just as it stands. A couple of different designs for like the little file folder labels. This would be another one that would really easily make into just a fun little book. Keeping in mind, just because this is what they're showing does not mean that's how you have to use it, right? You could do this totally differently with photos, not worry about the journaling, or if you're digging the journaling and the little like speech bubbles, you've got some fun things to play with. So lots of cool stuff in the release. So when's it available? If you are a Kiwi Club member, it's available in the shop on May 4th. Okay, so I'm making this video on the evening of May 3rd. So as far as I'm concerned, it's available tomorrow. If you are a Kiwi Club member. So that's 10 o'clock Idaho time. So for me, that's 9. I'm out on the West Coast. So pay attention to that. Get in there and get your stuff ordered. If you are not a Kiwi Club member yet, first I have to say, why not? Because you get a discount on product, you get to order early. There's so many cool benefits like overstock shop, etc. But if you're not a Kiwi Club member yet, you can order on May 6th. So you've just got to be patient for a couple more days and you'll have access to the new product too. If you have any other questions, guys, reach out. I would love to give you as much information as I have. And I know that we're all excited to have some fun new things to play with. So enjoy, and don't forget to show me what you create. I can't wait to see, and I will talk to you guys all soon. There is a link in my description box if you need it to get to the shop. So take care, everybody. Bye-bye.